So 10.2 exercise. The first question is given you. Just two questions only are having. That too very simple here. Nothing is there. Just as once we'll discuss these questions. Okay. So recall that two circuits are congruent if they have the same radii, and prove that equal parts of the congruent circles. Recall that two circles are congruent. Congruent is nothing but, can you say? What is meant by congruent? Can anyone say? Congruent.
Having equal radius. So having equal radius.
No. Congruent figures I am asking. Just we have completed in the triangles chapter congruency, and I explained to you very clearly what is meant by congruent figure. Two figures are said to be congruent. When do we say two figures?
Sir, Sir, if the two shapes or figures are having equal shape and size, then we call the figures as a congruent figures.
Very good. Two figures, any two figures, if you say, if they are same in shape and as well as size, then they call as a congruent figures. In case of the triangles, whenever you take congruency of the triangles can be proved in by different criteria we have learned. But circles are congruent. When do we say? If the radius is same, two triangles, the radius same ho gaya to, then you can say that two triangles are congruent. So two circles are congruent. And when do we say the two squares are congruent? Two squares को congruent कब बोलते हैं? Two squares को congruent कब बोलते हैं? When do we say that two squares are congruent? Two circles are congruent if they have the same radii.
When the sides are equal?
Yes. Side of the first triangle and side of the second triangle are equal in the length. Okay? So, here the question is given to you. Prove that the equal parts of congruent circles. Two circles if you are taking into consider. Equal parts. These two are congruent circles. It is there. And in this chord length is equal. Here one length being taken, another you can take like this also. It's not mandatory you can take, but length are equal here. And subtend equal angle at the centers. Center में equal angle होगा बोल के prove करना है. Okay? So how do you prove? Simple. ये दोनों को join करो. ये center है. Two different triangles you are going to get. ये वो भी इस triangle. ये instead of O dash ले, or another point also you can mark it. It's not mandatory that O only to be taken into consideration. You can take the O dash also, or you can take the P also, some other point. So what is given? Given is two triangles are congruent and AB is equals to CD. So given, so two circles are congruent. Given two circles are congruent. So that is nothing but the radius is equal. OA is equals to OB is equals to OC is equals to OD. And also chords are equal here. AB is equals to CD. It is given, isn't it? What is to prove? हमको क्या prove करना है? Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. AOB is equals to COD. So in the triangles consider in triangle AOB, triangle COD. In these triangles, each side equal, this side equal, this side equal, this side equal, this side. SSS congruency take. The two triangles are congruent. Two triangles surrounded by CP. These two angles are equal. Isn't it? Simple है ना? Second question is कर सकते हैं ना? हेलो, समझ में आया? समझ में आया? हेलो, Can you hear me? अरे क्या हो गया? Is it audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is not audible to me. ये समझ में आया? सिंपल है. Equal chords makes subtends equal angle at the center. तो center पे equal angle हो. Okay, if you want, I will write the complete here. In this, OA is equals to OC, OB is equals to OD, AB is equals to CD by SSS criteria. Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Is, I am asking, is in this triangle AOB is congruent to triangle DOC? Is it true?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, वो भी सही है. AOB is congruent to COD, AOB is congruent to DOC also, right? You can write the DOC also. It's not mandatory that only you should write AOB, COD only. Only in this case. So if you write in any way, then you are going to get the, by CPCT if you take into consider, therefore by CPCT you can write angle AOB is equals to angle COD. So next, second question, इसका converse है. Prove that the chords of the congruent triangles subtend equal angles at their centers, then the chords are equal. Next में क्या है? ये angle equal दे दिया है, and we need to prove these two are equal. Same congruency बस S, ये S, SAS congruency use करना है. If you use SAS congruency, then you are going to get it. समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
So 10.2 exercise completed. It's very simple here. In 10.3 exercise also like that only you are having two questions. Draw the different pairs of the circles. Different pairs of the circles you need to draw. Wait for it. Draw the different pairs of the circles. How many points does each pair have in common? And what is the maximum number of the points in common? Tell me.
Sir, 2.
Maximum number of points in common, 2. So there are
2 points.
you can draw the circles. Circles like this draw कर सकते हैं. There is no point in common. So 0 points common. No point otherwise. No point in common. Next, you can draw the circles touching each other like this. So only one in common. Next, third one is like this. Sir, you may get doubt. Sir, if I am asking, yes sir, इसके ऊपर और एक सर्कल का करें. So many number of points in common. Can you give the answer to my question? Can you give the question to my answer?
So what did you ask?
लास्ट में भी अटेंडेंस ले लूंगा मैं. स्टार्टिंग में लास्ट में अटेंडेंस हो गया बोल के निकल रहा होगा, बट लास्ट में भी अटेंडेंस ले लूंगा. So those who are present from the starting to last and they will only get the full attendance. Inform your friends. Yes, tell me.
Sir,
But the question is given to you different circles. If I draw the circle upon the another circle, they are not different circles. They are the same circles. Isn't it? Okay? So answer is 2 only. Number of points in common is 2 only. So that's the first question. Second question I think we have discussed previously. You are given a circle Q. Circle is given to you. And give the construction to find its center. Give the construction to find its center. So क्या करना है? Center find out करने के आपको एक बैंगल दे दिया है. With a bangle you have drawn a circle. Or with any circular object you have drawn a circle. You don't know the center. And you need to find out the center. Okay? How do you?
सर 2 कॉर्ड बनाना पड़ेगा.
2 cards which are non-parallel.
on parallel.
Do remember that the cards should not be parallel. Parallel नहीं होगा. Non-parallel cards. Draw the 2 cards which are non-parallel of any length. Any length draw them. Okay. Then after draw the perpendicular bisector after each card. इसका perpendicular bisector arcs का करो. ऐसा arcs हो जाएगा. And if you join these 2 perpendicular bisector, either this one has a center here, one arc here, one arc. This one has a center here, one arc, and here one arc. So ये दोनों को extend करो. Then you are getting center. Steps लिखना है. So what do you write the steps? Draw a circle with any circular object. Are given to you. Okay, and draw 2 chords with non-parallel chords. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector of the name data. If you want, you give the P, Q, Rs to non-parallel. If you want, you can draw the here itself. It's very card drawings. It's not the basic P, Q, Rs like this. ये P, Q, R. ऐसे भी draw कर सकते हैं. That's up to your choice. In any way, you can draw it. Draw the perpendicular bisector of the each chord. And the intersecting point of the perpendicular bisector of the each chord is center of the circle. That's all steps, simple steps. Shall I write the steps on the board? Board में लिखो.
No, sir.
No, you can write now. It's not difficult, I think. So let us move to the third question. If 2 circles are intersecting at 2 points, the question is given 2 points. Prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common point. Question समझ में आया? 2 circles are intersecting at 2 points. Prove that their centers lie. Prove that their centers lie on the perpendicular bisector of the common chord. There is a one common chord, and you need to prove that it is. So centers. If you consider here, I'm going to take the figure from this. ये problem थोड़ा सा confuse नहीं है, पर कुछ नहीं है इसमें. Easy है. तो 2 circles with a different center. Let us consider that these 2 are having O as a center and O dash as a center. So given AB is a one common chord intersecting the circles, and radius different radius you take into consider. Radius also different. Okay, and I told you to name the circle. Suppose if you consider that, so you write here the given steps given. What is given to us that you write here. AB is a common chord. This is a common chord. First in the figure I will explain to you. Then after one common chord. The question is what here? To prove that the centers of the both the circles lie on the perpendicular bisector of the chord AB. ये AB का chord है ना, ये इसका perpendicular bisector में ये centers होता है. That is nothing but AB is bisected at right angle by O dash. O dash line इसको perpendicularly bisect करेगा. Then we need to prove that. So for that, what you have to do it. So given what is given, you write the steps. AB is a common chord. Common chord to circle with center O and radius OA and circle with center O dash and radius O dash A. O dash A लिख सकते हैं, O dash B भी लिख सकते हैं. Our radius, if you want, you can mark it as a R dash, like that also you can mark it. But here it is not necessary to do it. A small construction, what you do? You join these points. OA को, इसको, and इसको. So here to prove, what to prove here? O dash bisects perpendicularly, bisects AB perpendicularly bisect. Our O dash AB is bisected by O dash. O dash bisects AB perpendicular. So proof में क्या करना है? You consider the triangle AO dash. You consider the triangle AO dash one triangle you take into consider, and BO dash two triangles you take into consider. And can you prove that these two triangles are congruent? Can you prove that these two triangles are congruent? AO dash, BO dash. SSS congruency में congruent हो जाएगा, isn't it? Then after, by the CPCT, you can say that angle AO dash, this angle will be equal to this angle, isn't it? Now you take the triangle AOC. A point intersecting point को C मान लो. Take the triangle AOC. ये triangle consider कर लो. And triangle BOC. These two triangles consider. The two triangles also you can prove it congruent. Can you prove it congruent? See here. First you have to take it here. Our intention is to prove it is perpendicular. It is 90 degrees. ये 90 degrees prove करना है, and this part equal to this part. That's all. Because O dash perpendicularly bisects AB, we need to prove. So further, first thing is that ये perpendicular prove करना है, ये दोनों equal prove करना है. So further, if is it possible for us to prove these two triangles are congruent? ये दोनों triangles congruent होकर prove कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास ये equal ये है, ये दो equal है. Only two parts are equal we are having. One more part equal we are not having. That's why first you prove that these two angles are equal. So these two angles can be equal proved by taking these two triangles into consideration. समझ में आया? So I am taking here proof में in triangle AO dash and triangle BO dash. What you can say? AO is equal to BO because both are radii. A equal to A, and AO dash is equal to BO dash. This is also radius of the smaller circle. Circle with center O. Okay. So next, O dash is equal to O dash. This is common. So therefore, by SSS congruency, you can say that triangle AO dash is congruent to triangle BO dash. Therefore, by CPCT, you can say that angle AO dash is equal to angle BO dash. इसको 1 निकाल. समझ में आया? Now, in triangle AOC and triangle BOC, angle AOC is equal to angle BOC. This is from 1 here. ये 1 है, not 2. सर इधर तो AO dash लिखा है, AO dash बोलो, AOC बोलो, सेम है ना. They are not different. Next, AOC is equals to BOC हो गया, and this one AO is equals to OB is equals to OB, or because these two are radii. Next, OC is the common in both. This is common. Therefore, by SAS congruency, first SAS congruency, triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOC. AOC congruent to BOC. If these two are congruent, you can say that AC is equals to BC by CPC. Okay, this one you consider true. And angle ACO plus angle ACO is equals to angle BCO. And the sum of these two angles, the angle ACO plus angle BCO is equals to 180 degrees. ये दोनों equal है. 2 times of angle ACO is equals to 180 degrees. So angle ACO is equals to 90 degrees. This is third one. From 2 and 3, you can say that O dash bisects AB perpendicularly. From 2 and 3, you can say that O dash bisects AB perpendicularly. समझ में आया? I think it is not complicated. It's very easy. We have any doubt here?
No, sir.
हाँ, simple problem है, just congruency prove करना है, इसमें और कुछ नहीं है. So let us move to the 10.4 exercise.
Yes, sir.
So in the first 10.4 exercise, so first question is given to two circles of the radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters intersect at 2 points, and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeters. Find the length of the common chord. Okay, so the question समझ में आया? ये लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना है. इसका रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर्स है, इसका रेडियस 5 सेंटीमीटर्स है, and you need to find out this. सही है? Whenever you observe this circles, whenever two circles are intersecting given to you, you need to be a little bit careful. Why? Because the sum of the two radius, if it is one point, you need to observe it. If the sum of the two radius, here if you see that, observe karo, either 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters radius is given. So distance between the two centers, A centers, O dash. Whenever you consider that, so ये 5 centimeters है, 3 centimeters. So normally if you consider that 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, whenever it is given to you, how do you have the center of the second circle? ये देखो ये distance for centers between the two दोनों का centers है. So here this distance whenever you take that between the centers, whenever you are taking into consideration, this length will be equals to 1. See here, figure will not be like this. Whether the figure will be like this? No. Because whenever you take into consider, figure you are not going to get like this. What is the reason? Can anyone say? Can you say what is the reason? Yeah, see, radius can, is it, what I am asking the question to you, can you understand the question? When the circles or two circles intersecting situation is given to you, you should be a little bit careful. So question is given to find the length of the common chord. Common chord का length find out करना है. Common chord is like this. You are thinking that this figure is okay, but I am saying that the figure is wrong. Why? And the question is given that the distance between the centers is equals to 4. You are not saying that point. Distance between the centers is, this is 4 centimeters given to you. Distance between the centers is given to you 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters whenever it is given to you, you observe that ये 4 centimeters है. So ये इधर से इधर तक 5 centimeters. Sorry, not here. From here to here it is 5 centimeters. So how it is possible the total length is the 4 centimeters? Question concentrate कर लो थोड़ा. So blindly if you draw the figure like this, then it is wrong. You're not supposed to draw the figure like that. So what do you have? Whenever you are having a distance between the two centers is, distance between the two centers whenever you are taking. Suppose what are the different situations you are going to have? ये situation में कैसे होगा? ये radius है, capital R मान लो, ये small r मान लो, and distance between the centers O dash. So R plus R should be greater than O dash in this situation. The sum of the two radius should be greater than the O. Means circles are दूर दूर है. ये point एक mark करना. Then in case two circles are touching of different radius, R plus R will be equal to O dash. One situation. Then you may get out, sir, if R plus R is less than O dash and R minus R is equals to O dash, different situations will be there. These all situations you need to take into consider. ये सारा आप लोग consider करना है. R minus R is equals to O dash. When it is possible? Can you say? In this situation, figure कैसे होगा? Please here, this is very important. Only solving the problems are not important. If you want, I will explain to you the 10.4 exercise. बाद में मैं explain करता हूँ. 10.4 exercise will discuss, but this is very important. Difference between the two radiuses is equals to distance between the centers. Figure कैसे होगा? ऐसा होगा? Just see here, this is O, this is O dash. ये कैपिटल R, ये स्मॉल R. पूरा कैपिटल R है, पूरा कैपिटल R है. ये स्मॉल r है, this is smaller and this is capital R. Radius. From the total length ये लेके subtract कर लें तो ये आ जाएगा. So when the circles are, one circle is inside intersecting the other circle, then the R minus R is equals to O dash. in case if you are having the difference between the two centers, so is less than o dash, so sum of the two, is it possible this situation? Is situation possible hoga? Think. I am giving this as a homework. And what about this situation? R minus R is equals to R minus R less than O dash होता है तो क्या है? R minus R greater than O dash होता है तो क्या है? इस situation में क्या है? ये capital R मान लो small r मान लो O dash is equals to 4. So इस situation में the figure कैसे आ जाएगा? Still one more figure will be there. Situation थोड़ा सोच लो इसके बारे में, पेपर में लिखो, ट्राई कर लो, then you are going to get it. We'll discuss in the next class tomorrow. समझ में आया? Do you understand my question?
Yes, sir.
Because analyze करो. If you are analyzing these situations, you take into consider. Capital R क्या है, small r क्या है, big circle, small circle. दोनों का distance greater than होता है तो ये situation. Equal होता है तो ये situation. Less difference equal होता है तो ये situation. ये होगा नहीं होगा ये three situations. Plus less than वाला, minus less than वाला, minus greater than वाला situation होगा. If होगा तो कैसे होगा? ट्राई कर लो, थोड़ा सोच लो, डिफरेंट सिचुएशन. और ये प्रॉब्लम हमारा प्रॉब्लम किस सिचुएशन का अंदर आता है? R plus R is greater than R O dash. तो ये फिगर ऐसा होगा. बट क्वेश्चन में दिया है the two circles are intersecting. Two circles are intersecting. So intersecting situation में कैसे होगा? So these all you analyze. If I am simply explaining to you, you will not get it. I am giving to you this one today as a homework. Okay, as the time is also completed, then you try at home. 10.4 exercise we will do it tomorrow in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Wait for a minute. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया ना? इंटरसेक्टिंग सिचुएशन में कैसे होगा? ये सिचुएशन में क्या है? अदरवाइज यू टेक इनटू कंसीडर इन दिस सिचुएशन हाउ द व्हिच सिचुएशन कम इनटू फोर्स. एंड इफ यू आर हैविंग अ सर्किल सेंटर हियर होता है तो सिचुएशन क्या है? ये सिचुएशन क्या है? ये सिचुएशन. Different situations you try. Tomorrow we'll discuss one. Okay?